Abdul Rakhim. So nice to
Until now.
hear you, to see you.
Thank you very much. I was very excited. Talk first time I am talking to a Kyrgyz person
After your mother.
after my mother. Outside my family, of course, my uncle and my father, my brother. Yeah,
It is
yeah.
very exciting. I only can thank for this opportunity to learn this story of how you found your mother after 50 years. And
50 years. Yeah, it's, it was a very tragic story in the beginning, but thanks God, it turns into a happy story at this moment. I was 3 years old when she was divorced, and she went to Turkey.
let's start from beginning. So,
Okay.
you are 50 years old or 53, right?
Yeah, I am 53.
And you were born in Karachi?
Yeah.
So you were born in Karachi, you grew up in Karachi all your
Yes.
life. You lived in Karachi in Pakistan, south of Pakistan, very intense life. It's very a lot of people there, right? I imagine like this, a lot of activities, a lot of things happening. It's such a busy town. You were born and you were 3 years old, and your brother was maybe, I don't know, 5 years
5 years.
old,
5 years.
and your father said that your mother died, right?
Yeah. In the early childhood, maybe he gave the impression that she's not alive. He removed all the photographs. We don't have any picture of her, and there was not anything in our imagination. So he completely closed the chapter of mother from our lives. But somehow we came to know after uh, my uncle visited, and he told us 20 years ago that your mother is alive and she lives in Turkey, but don't know where, maybe in Izmir or Adana. So I was searching, I was surfing on internet, making friends of Turkish people from Adana, Izmir, and then I discussed them with. There is a little twist because I was asking for Gulshan Bibi. That was told me that my mother name is Gulshan Bibi, but actually they changed her name in Pakistan. She was Gulshan Bibi, but actually her name was Gulsum. So I think due to this, my friend in Turkey they could not find her. So I tried hard, but could not get the uh, whereabouts of my mother. So I was nearly uh, disappointed that maybe she's alive or not. I don't know because I came to know about 20 years ago. Then I think she will be very old. Maybe she don't remember us. Maybe she's died. But due to you and letters from Pamir, I became interested in the Kyrgyz people of Wakhan, and I searched. There was name of Rahman Kul Khan.